Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Aman JAJODIA. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can download a ringtone of your name. So let's start. First we have to open any browser. You can open any browser and then search FDMR 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 space your name, just like my name is Aman, so I am typing FDMR Aman. After typing this you will get some results which are like this: Mr. Aman, please pick up phone, saying MP3. So I will pick up this one first. So it is opening. So here it has opened. Now we have to click on download or right click and click on save target. So we have to click download. Here you can click here for name ringtone with new songs. I'm downloading this one. Wait, it is loading. Wait. We will open in Chrome.
Mr. Aman, please pick up the phone. Mr. Aman, please pick up the phone. Mr. Aman, please pick up the phone. Mr. Aman, please pick.
So guys, here you can see here that the ringtone has already been played, so you can download it from here. This is so simple to use and download. So thank you so much friends for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Aman JAJODIA. Here you can see here it has been downloading. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Aman JAJODIA.